Hello and welcome to another episode of Miracle Tutorial. Today we are going to talk about the words that are commonly mispronounced. So without further ado, let's start with our first word. So our first word is this word that is pronounced as vehicle. Vehicle. As you can see over here, the primary stress is put on the first syllable, vehicular. Vehicular. But the stress you can see is on the second syllable right now, so it will be pronounced as vehicular. Vehicle. Vehicular. So this is the word I know many of you guys know it, and this word is pronounced as leisure. Once again, leisure. And the American pronunciation of this word is leisure. Leisure. As you can see over here, I've got three words in the list, and they have something in common, that you're not going to pronounce the d sound in it, and it becomes adjective. Adjective. So the stress goes to the first syllable over here. Let me put the first stress over here. So it becomes adjective. The judge. And the third word, again, you're going to drop the d sound in it, and we will pronounce it like adjust. Adjust. So the primary stress goes on the j again and becomes adjust. Now you can see I've got two more words over here, and the first one is zero. Once again, it is not zero, it is zero. Zero. Vanadium. Vanadium. So vanay. So this nay is taking the primary stress on it. It will be pronounced as vanadium. I'll be telling you two ways to pronounce it. One is the British, one is the American way. So the first one is, now in this one we're not going to pronounce the th in it. It becomes asthma. 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 This is the British way of pronouncing the word. Now the American way to pronounce is asthma. Now I've got a list of three words over here, and they've got a same way of pronouncing it. So let's go ahead with it and do the pronunciation. Okay, the first one over here is digestion. This one over here is combustion. Combustion. Congestion. Congestion. Digestion, combustion, congestion. Now this word is pronounced as conscience. So the stress is taken by the first syllable, and it is pronounced as conscience. Conscience. The meaning of this word is that the ability of the mind to understand the difference between good and bad. So that is a conscience. Sometimes people do have guilty conscience, that they understand that they have done something wrong. Diameter. 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 Parenthesis. So the stress is taken by ren over here. It becomes parenthesis. Parenthesis. It means bracket. Any kind of bracket. Thermometer. 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 The stress goes to this syllable, and it is pronounced as equation. Equation. This word over here is pronounced as cello. It is pronounced as cello. It's a sort of a musical instrument, very similar to a violin, but not exactly violin. I don't know much of a difference between a violin and a cello, but looks like the cello looks like a violin, so a musician must be able to tell you the nuances and specificities of it. Now you see I've got two words over here, and one of the word you're quite familiar with, and this is called as chassis. And you know, the chassis is something of a part of a vehicle before the body is put in it, you know, the leftover part. where the engine and other stuffs are there, that thing is called as a chassis. And this particular word is a chassis, and this word is pronounced as chassis, 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 chassis. There's a dance step. This word over here is the word that is pronounced as genre, 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 or it could be pronounced as genre, genre, genre. Cigarette. So there are two stresses over here, one at the first syllable, that is C, that takes the secondary stress, and one at the cigarette, cigarette. So R takes the primary stress, so it is pronounced as cigarette. I've missed two words over here. One was this word, and this word is called as massage, massage, massage. Once again, massage, massage, and the person who does it is called as masseur, masseur, massage, masseur. And this word, this is called as a chandelier. It's actually a decorative piece that's hung from a ceiling. So this is called as chandelier, massage, chandelier. But over here is pronounced as thorough, thorough, thorough. He did the work thoroughly, thoroughly, thoroughly. A thorough work. And the last word of the list is berry. The word is pronounced as berry, 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 and the stress is taken by the first syllable and is called as berry. I hope you have liked the video. Thanks for watching it. Do subscribe to my channel and do press the bell icon. Thank you very much once again.